Hi, I'm Richard Morris, owner at Southwest Premier Insurance Agency. Our theme this year is Protect the House. And moms, there's no one better at protecting the house than you. So we want to encourage you to get life insurance. Most moms don't have life insurance. They're stay-at-home moms often, and they've left a job, they don't have their life insurance anymore. We want to make sure that you protect your home, protect your house, protect your family with life insurance. I recently just helped a young mom, 28 years old, twins at home, under a year old. Busy mom, but they realized that they needed life insurance on her because she's so valuable, and it would just be a huge burden if something happened to her and dad and the kids there are needing help and assistance and they didn't have life insurance. They value life insurance. We want to help you get life insurance. We represent over 60 insurance companies to get you life insurance, term life insurance at an affordable price. So give us a call. Our goal every month is to help 25 young moms get life insurance for their family to protect their home. So give us a call, 480-336-2707, 480-336-2707. 15 to 20 minute phone call. We can get you some pricing and do the application online and get you started with securing life insurance for yourself and protecting your family. It's easy. Give us a call, 480-336-2707. Protect the house.